everyone! Today I'm going to show you the best way to save your music videos in Avee Music Player without any errors. If you want to get high-quality visuals for your tracks, follow these steps. Step-by-step instructions. Select your music. Choose your style. Pick your favorite visualizer and customize it to fit your vibe. Open the app and pick the song you want to use. Secret export settings. Click the export icon. To avoid crashes and keep the quality high, use these exact settings. Resolution 720p at 30 fps. Video bitrate 7.5 megabps. Select main, then hit export. Outro, subscribe and call to action. And that's it! Your video is ready to share. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.